Happy evening, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. Today I am going to share with you all very important topic for all teachers, faculty and trainer. This video is exclusively for teachers, faculty and trainer, whosoever is working in any school, colleges, institutes, universities, learning center and study centers as a tutor also. Because you are supposed to know and ask yourself first of all, what do you want to become? Yes, what do you want to become? There are 5 question marks. As of now, there are big racings are going among teachers, faculty, trainer, coach and mentor. What they want to become? You want to become a teacher, great teacher, rocking teacher, awesome teacher, fabulous teacher, fantastic teacher, marvelous teacher. Or you want to become a guru. Let's understand the difference between these teacher, faculty, trainer, coach and mentor, which was the 19th century demand and supply, and about these 5 positions, 99% people of this country falls under this category, means teacher, faculty, trainer, coach and mentor. And under guru, there are hardly less than 1% people who act as a guru. So let's try to understand the difference between these 5 and guru, because this was the 19th century demand and supply, and guru is 21st century demand and supply. In 19th century demand and supply, as a teacher, faculty, trainer, you were supposed to, or at present you are performing actually 3-in-1 duties and responsibilities, because you are thinking that this job is very simple. You are leaving your corporate job after working there for 5 years and shifting from corporate to teaching job, assuming that this job is very simple, but it's not like that. In teaching job, your feedback is calculated on daily basis. Always remember, criticism and feedback both take into consideration. Then there is no act of giving by any teachers, faculty, trainer as of now, and forget everything and run. They work on this fear factor, FEAR. This fear has got 2 big meaning. The first meaning is forget everything and run. Very simple. Running is very simple. Don't take any accountability or responsibility of anything and run. And this is happening. 99% teacher, faculty, trainer, coach and mentor falls under this category, and tutor also. Now what about guru? This is very important, which is less than 1% people in this country, outside this country also. Here, if you are a guru, if you assume that you want to become a guru, then you will have to take 7-in-1 duties and responsibilities. Yes, 7-in-1 duties and responsibility. Then you should believe in act of giving only. You are supposed to give only. You are not supposed to take anything. Then you are supposed to face everything and rise. Yes, you are supposed to face all odds, all difficulties, all hindrances on your path and rise after that. Then who removes darkness and ignorance? Yes, guru means GU means darkness, and ru means who dispel darkness, means remove darkness. Always remember. So guru means who removes ignorance and darkness, and the biggest quality of guru is who act as a healer. Who act as a healer. Healer means those who brings internal happiness for others. If you meet someone and if you are feeling happy after meeting him or her, it means he is a healer. He is a complete guru, 100% guru. So guru has got these 5 qualities. Always remember. 7-in-1 duties. He always ready to take 7-in-1 duties responsibility as a guru. He believes in act of giving. He face everything and rise. As I told, this fear has got 2 meaning. Forget everything and run, which is very easy for teacher, faculty, trainer, coach and mentor. Very easy. But for guru, face everything and rise. Who removes darkness and ignorance. Guru is a Sanskrit word. Always remember, guru is a Sanskrit word. Gu means darkness. Ru means removing. Who dispel darkness. So who removes darkness and ignorance. That is, and he or she is a complete 100% guru. And the best, that is the last and biggest quality of guru, who act as a healer. Healer means if you who brings happiness, internal happiness for others, for students, for colleagues, for anyone, whomsoever we meet, brings internal happiness. I think you might have observed, yes, what you want to become, and you might have learned something. This is all about your knowledge, information exposure towards the teaching world institutions. Thank you so much. May God bless you. The Happy Way.